here I've got some clear glue. Just not gonna. Okay. We might need to take the spoon out first. Was that just a little bit, or that's the? We're just gonna finish some piece of glue. That's actually not a piece. Do you know where I got this from? I got it from Noah. I just wanted slime, so someone got me slime.
Who got it for you?
The mailman.
It's Mommy. Mommy bought it for you.
Mommy brought it. Okay, one pot of glue done.
Did you manage to open that up?
No, I didn't open that one.
There's a tiny bit left in here that you can use. Let's see if it will come out. Any luck?
So my daddy is doing 2 pots of glue.
Can you open that one as well? Yes. It's a little bit left in there. Just tip it over. This is gonna take time, isn't it?
This is taking time. Baby, just do this. I've just finished adding my glue, so now I'm going to be adding more ingredients.
So what other ingredients do you have?
I've got some activator, but we need water for it. Thank you, Daddy. And we've got a dark blue shade of food colouring, which I am going to be using. What else? What else did I use? Black shade of purple or some pink? How come there's a little bit in there? Fine, I'm just gonna mix 3 colours. Okay, that should be good. Let's get some blue. This is blue food colouring. Daddy. Okay, this is blue food colouring. Just to leave these out of the way because you can't even see the bowl. Ah! The food colouring is just. Ooh. Let's take the spoon out of it. That should be. Look, when I put the food colouring in the bubbles don't even pop. That's weird, right? Okay, that should be enough blue food colouring. When you're done with your food colourings, all of them, you can put them back in the box, and then you leave. This is red. I think it turns it into pink. I must put the food colouring in the box. Okay. So just make sure not to pour any food colouring in your boxes. Okay, that might be too much because look, now it's just wasted. Too bad that I wasted my this. Just put it there. Okay. Now we just did red food colouring.
How many colors are you adding?
Sorry.
3. Bless you.
I kind of said that kind of funny. Okay, now we're doing purple food colouring. Okay,
What color do you think you're going to get after mixing all those colors?
I've got no idea.
And do you think you're going to get grey like you did the other day?
No, I'm not going to get any grey. I'm going to put a nice colour. No more grey. Alright? No more grey.
Mm-hmm.
No more grey. No more.
We'll see.
We'll see if it's a good colour or a bad colour or a grey. I can't wait. Mix.
Okay.
Mix it in. Ooh, which colour? No!
What color is it?
It's a dark purple, which looks like in the inside it looks like nighttime. That is just not very nice. Okay, I'm just gonna put one more color to make it a bit good. But I don't know what's gonna happen if we add another color. Hey. Whoa. This is very some sticky foam beads. You know if you add some foam beads will get everywhere and stick on you. This is what I've got, some orange. Why is this orange not budging? If you know why this orange is not budging, just have to.
You need help?
Yeah, I need a bit of help, Daddy.
I think it's new. You have never used it. That's why. Oh.
Because you're just turning it.
Come on, hold tight.
I'm holding tight.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm holding tight.
I think we're doing something wrong.
Hey, little camera, follow the glue. Hi, this is me who is making the slime.
There you go. It lost.
That was a problem. That was a very bad problem. Oh no. Look, I think
Don't waste it.
this is gonna
That's
turn
enough.
out.
That's enough. That's too much.
I think this is gonna turn out into glow in the dark slime or some just don't know which colour. Oh, really? What? Unfair! Come on, change colour. Black.
That's a nice color, isn't it?
Black.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite color is not black. I was hoping I would get purple.
Then you should have added just a purple color. Okay, what do you do next?
That you know on this side it looks like kiwi over here. This side. I mean over this side. I want this slime this glue to stop moving. Okay, on this side. Look.
Okay.
So, I need another spoon. Hold on a sec. I'll go and get another spoon, but I don't know where this phone
What do you want
is.
this spoon for?
Activator.
To do what?
Activator.
Oh, to make the activator.
Yeah. Got one. Well, the thing is, you have to be careful not to spill this glass bowl or spill the activator, because yesterday my mummy cleaned this room and I just made it messy. So we don't want any activators to spill today. So tough. Come on! Activator, I know you're being silly. Just budge open. Budge. Look,
Okay.
I've got blue food colouring on me. And
Okay,
I've got
there you
blue.
go. Opened it for you. Did you want to put your hand in there?
I almost did this. Crush it up. That's what
I
we need.
think you need to put just a little bit
I'm
because
just crushing it
I
up.
didn't put more water in that cup.
Yes.
So yesterday we used half a spoon. I think today we're gonna use less.
This.
Yeah, I think that should be fine.
That should be a bit fine. Okay. Yesterday we just made... Sorry everybody, just interrupted. Guys, if you don't know yesterday, I'm going to show you which kind of slime I made, which turned out bad. Okay, good. Okay, this kind of...
Take it out. Did it just spill out of the...
This kind of slime, and look, it's just all rubbery and looks like we put too much in there and too bad, too sad. Great. Great job. And look when you just breaks. This is just bad slime. I don't like it. I'm not gonna play with it. It's just bad slime. Just throw it away. Okay, now we're done showing you that horrible slime. Just gonna take that box away with the slime. We're just gonna carry on mixing. This cup is very, very yellow, so we don't know if we can see the activator. Yeah, I can still see it. Okay, just carry on mixing. I'm just being so silly. Look at the slime, it's just making bubbles. I mean the glue. Okay, I think the activator is all mixed in. Just add a little bit more. Daddy, yesterday I think we washed it too much. Oh,
Okay.
keep it in one place.
So you just added the activator.
Yep. I just added the activator and look what happened.
What does it thickens up?
Look. Why is it moving? I don't know if tomorrow Daddy, tomorrow, can we make a nighttime routine video? Daddy, tomorrow, can we make a nighttime routine video?
Okay, we'll see what we can do.
So for the nighttime routine video, or the day, we can make a nighttime routine video if you guys want to make one, or should we make a morning routine video? I don't know about that because my daddy is looking at me now.
Okay, so
Look at now. We're gonna head to the kitchen and wash my slime. Or we can just
I
make.
can go and get some warm water.
Oh yeah, and
Okay.
put it in the bowl and mix.
Okay. Okay, let me go and get the water, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna stay here with everybody.
Okay.
We're gonna pause the video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Now my daddy has got the hot
Not hot.
water. I just keep on saying hot. Look at this one. It's just unfair.
So you just add a
Pour-
little bit,
Add a
not too much.
little tiny bit.
No? Okay.
Well, that's a lot. Now you just already know my saliva just went into there because I just said that's a lot. So we're just gonna wash push a bit. Need a bit more. I'm not sure if this is gonna be some very nice slime because
Is this not the bit where you always use your hands?
is this the bit where we always use our hands?
I think you need to mix it with your hands.
Daddy, you said, is this the bit where you use your hands? Your face, it was funny. Okay.
Okay.
So
How
sad.
does that look? It's a bit slimy.
Okay.
What do you think about it?
Bad. Because it's black and my not favorite color. I must said my favorite color, but it's not. Okay, I just barely touched it. Oh, I know it's sticky slime. Yep, look at my hands. Black. Ew. Ew.
Come on, mix it quick.
I just didn't want to mix it with my whole hand.
But how are we going to see it, how slimy it is, if you are not holding it? Take the spoon out.
Can someone hold the spoon, thank you? Look. That's gross. Oh, and now it's so sticky. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. What? Okay, I don't like this today. Daddy, can we
It's
just...
sticky.
Daddy, can we just make another slime
Can it
video?
stretch?
Okay, let's see. Just right. It stretches so far. Okay, don't. Just break. Yes. Oh no, now I'm just bearing leaves. No! This is the horrible part. This is the horrible part about me. Yeah. My daddy should have done this.
Okay, let's see how slimy that is. So what do you think about it? Stretchiness? Not the color. It's nice and slimy, isn't it? Apart from you not liking the color. Otherwise it's okay.
I like the stretchiness, but the color, I didn't like it. It's just all black. And look, I can't even get it off me. This is how you need to get it. Oh,
So how do you get it off?
just...
Yeah, just have it.
I know, my slime. I hope you like this video and give me a huge thumbs up.
Do you want a huge slimy thumbs up for your video?
A huge slimes up. A huge slimes up. And subscribe to my videos. And now how am I gonna say bye? Okay, I think I need to say slime.